On today's episode, I will share a quick and easy party style pepper chicken wings for that special guests and family members in this merry season. Hello friends, you're welcome back to Queen Varieties channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos with your friends and loved ones. So into my bowl I will transfer the neatly cleansed chicken. Guys, it is very important you take your time to wash or rinse your chicken to avoid any form of contamination. I've gone ahead to pat them dry. Into it I'll add 1 tablespoon of mixed spices, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. With my hands I'm going to mix it and combine it. That way all the ingredients added into it is going to penetrate deeply. Once the mixing process is done, I'll then go ahead and pour everything inside my baking pan. With my hands I'll arrange them to sit properly at the base of the pan. You can also air fry it or fry with oil. Alright, so we're not marinating the chicken wings. If you have time on your side, you can as well marinate it, but it's not important. Yes. I'll be baking at 180 degrees Celsius until the wings are completely browned in color or to my own preference. Into another pan, I will include some oil. Once the oil is heated, I'll add 1 onion with 2 scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to saute that for at least 3 minutes to 5 minutes until it is a little bit caramelized. After 3 minutes to 5 minutes, I will then bring in 3 bell peppers, and this has been minced and also placed in a sieve just so that the liquid will be eliminated from it. I'm going to toast this for exactly 10 minutes, and guys, 10 minutes later you can see the appearance completely fried and the appearance have changed. I will include salt, paprika, curry powder, rosemary and thyme, and then toast and mix everything properly for just 1 minute. At this point in time, the spices you use is your own personal choice and preference. Just do you what you want. I'm going to just drop in the wings right into the pot. You can see how they look. They are juicy, not too dry, so please make sure you don't overbake. It is very, very important because you want your guests to have a delightful experience once their lips or their mouth touches this chicken. Guys, look at how beautiful it looks. It was so delicious. In fact, the whole entire family had a delightful experience as we explored into the depth and bones of this chicken. Oh my goodness, it was delicious. So here I have gone ahead to garnish with some rosemary, and that is it. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you have enjoyed this simple delicacy. If you have, then don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and also turn on your bell notifications. Share my video with your friends and loved ones until I come your way next time. Remain blessed and don't forget, variety is the spice of life. Bye.